Going on YouTube? This is the drone trucker on the TruckerPass YouTube channel. Me and my student, we're at TA truck stop in Gary, Indiana, off of I80 Exit. I'll put that link in the description. It's been one of those days, so I'll give you a little tour of the TA truck stop. Show you what it is. It's a nice truck stop. Got a lot of parking, got a little bit of everything. They got Taco Bell, Pizza Hut. They got a Country Pride restaurant, good food there. So stay tuned. You see that it's a nice truck stop. They got showers, they got a driver's break room, like a little lounge, you know, TV and stuff. I didn't go up there. Perfect. But other than that, I mean, it's not a bad truck stop. Got a lot of parking here. Depends on the time of day when you come in. Some days they'll be full packed, or some days you'll be able to get in here at a certain time, especially on weekends. They're usually not that full. So stay tuned to our channel and click subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little bell notification button for future and upcoming videos. And if there's a video that you want to see, or anything out here that has to do with trucking, put a comment in the description below, and we'll see what we can do for you. So stay safe and keep it real. Later.